Okay, to start off with, it's asking you about angle AOE. And so angle AOE is that angle there. And that's going to be the vertical angle to BOD. So we need to find what X is. We know that BOC is 90 degrees. So we're going to make an equation. We know that 3x minus 28 plus 90 plus 66 minus x has to equal 180 degrees because AOD is a straight angle. So we need to solve this equation. So 3x minus x is 2x. And then we have negative 28, positive 90, and positive 66. So that gives us positive 128, which will equal 180 degrees. So you're going to continue to solve by subtracting 128 from 180. Gives you 52. So you have 2x equals 52. I'm running out of room. And then 52 divided by 2 gives you x is 26. So now we can figure out what this angle is. It's 66 minus 26. So it's 40. So the blue angle that I highlighted earlier would be 40 plus 90. So we get 130 degrees, which means that vertical angle that we were just talking about, I think it's in red, the angle AOE in red is the vertical angle, which means the answer is 130 degrees. Up to the left. For the second question on the page, it says in the diagram below that the line segment AC intersects triangle BDE at B. Choose true or false for each statement. So we know that 65 degrees, angle B, and 25 degrees should be equal to 180 degrees. So that's what letter B says. 65 degrees plus B plus 25 is equal to 180. So we're going to say true for that one. Letter A says that angle ABE, and angle CBD are complementary. Complementary meaning that they equal 90 degrees. So 65 plus 25 gives us 90 degrees. So that one is also true. So now we just have the last one to consider. The statement says the angle ABE and CBD, so those are the ones I highlighted in blue already, are, it's just ABE and CBD are vertical. That is false. Vertical angles are across from each other in an intersection. So to be vertical to ABE, I would need an angle up here. And the same with CBD. So letter C is false. Hope this helps.